Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll walk you through a completely legal and safe method to enjoy Spotify premium features without paying forever. No hacks, no shady apps, just smart and legitimate steps that work in 2025. Let's get started step by step. Step 1. Understand Spotify's free trial and its limitations. Spotify offers a free premium trial for new users, usually lasting 1 to 3 months. While this is a good start, it's temporary. The method we'll show builds on this and expands legally through official channels. Step 2. Use family and duo plans. Strategically, Spotify Premium Family and Duo plans allow multiple users to share one subscription. You can split the cost with friends or family legally, bringing the price down to just a couple of dollars per month. Premium Duo. 2 accounts. Premium Family. Up to 6 accounts. Make sure all users live at the same address, as per Spotify's terms. You don't need to pay full price yourself. Share and save. Step 3. Look for ongoing promotions. Spotify frequently partners with brands like Samsung, Xbox, PayPal, and even mobile carriers to offer extended premium trials, 3 to 12 months. To find these, search Spotify Premium Free Trial plus current year plus your country. Visit official Spotify partner pages or check your carrier's app. These are 100% legal and often stack with new account creation. Step 4. Rotate accounts smartly without violating TOS. While creating multiple accounts to abuse the free trial is against Spotify's terms of service, you can use this method legally if each new account is tied to a legitimate user, like a family member. What you can do: create a new account for a sibling or partner. Redeem their trial legally. Use a family plan to bring everyone together under one paid account. This way, you stay within Spotify's rules, but still stretch the benefits. Step 5. Use Spotify with discounted gift cards. Gift card sites often sell Spotify gift cards at discounted prices. Use these to top up your account legally without using your credit card. Tips: stick to verified resellers, Amazon, Raise, etc. Watch for seasonal discounts or bundles. This doesn't make premium free, but it reduces the cost dramatically without breaking any rules. Step 6. Leverage student discounts, if eligible. If you're a student, Spotify Premium Student Plan offers a 50% discount plus Hulu and Showtime in some regions. To apply, go to Spotify student page, verify your student status via Sheer ID, enjoy premium at half the price. Even if you're not currently in school, this could work for a younger sibling or roommate. Step 7. Use Spotify free with enhancing tools, optional. If all else fails, you can still use the free Spotify version and combine it with tools like ad blockers on PC, offline playlist downloaders for your own music library, not Spotify content, cross-platform sync tools. These don't give you premium but can improve the experience legally without breaching Spotify's policies. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more legal tech tricks and tips. See you in the next video.